Hi, in this video we are going to continue to develop the theme for block 02. This is a list of suggestions how we should use this video. We have a couple of files here and we have already finished the footer and the header. So now we move on to the index. Okay, the sidebar is loaded but there's nothing there. So let's work on the index first. Okay, right now the index it does nothing, so just a template. So we actually have to add some content to the index. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Alright, we keep the blog post. Okay, that's what we want to have. And we want to, so this is your actual post, right, from article to article. So we need to start the loop here. Okay. Okay, first this is the code we put it here. Okay. We want to start the loop, and if there's post while has post, show the date. The date is actually the h3 class, which we don't have this, okay, but it's just for demo. If you want to format it later, you can add it. And then we get the template part, content page. Okay, so later we need to write a page called content.php. Load the command if it's single. And the loops end here. Okay, or else okay, or else we execute what is below here. The article is the post, and this is the header. Okay, so if there is post, okay, we do the loop and load everything. Or else there's nothing, we will say that, hey, nothing is found, we are sorry, and so on and so forth. So we don't need all this. Okay, until here we actually don't need all this. So we say this is the post, this is the header, and we say that, hey, nothing is found, and we don't need this. And we say something like, hey, we are sorry. Delete the rest. And get a search form and close the article. Save. And now we can end our if below the article, before the section, which the starting of the if is on top. Okay. And end of if is below here. And that's a good place to stop. We still don't have the actual content because we have nothing in the content.php, but it doesn't hurt to reload, see what happened. It will disappear, I think. Yep, it disappeared. Okay. So we have to actually, the only thing you have are the dates, because sorry, let me move the index here, because That's all you did. Okay, you just output a date. And when you say I want to load the content.php, nothing was done in the content.php, so there's nothing there. Okay. Okay, content.php is slightly more complicated, and probably I shouldn't delete all my stuff in my index here. Okay, because it's okay. I can load my content from EG02. I actually need the layout from here to here. Okay, I actually need my header layout in the content. Okay, in fact, I need my article, I need my header, I need my P, and I need the end of the article. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay, in my into my content, paste it there. Okay, let me format it a little bit. Let me see. I can use Shift Tab. Okay, Control S to save. I obviously do not need to repeat my header because this is a template, so I only need one of them. So now if you save, you will load the template. Really ugly, right? This is not what you want, but the posts are there. Okay, which is kind of cool. Alright, so content will take care of, will be loaded in the index by the here, and it will take care of the content for your blog. So let's put in the actual thing. So for example, I will need a couple of things here for each article. Like the ID, okay, the post ID. Obviously this one won't be shown when you reload, but we just put it there. And then H2 class, you need the title, right? So let us break this. And instead of using a text, you will need to use a link to show the title. So when you Control S to save and reload, your blog title 1 will become the actual blog title, and there are links to go to those pages. And then let's move on to get the rest. Okay, this is your actual content posted on what date. What date? Daytime equal to what date? Okay, and what time? By who? Okay, and then you actually want to show the actual comment. All right, and so this is the actual comment, and obviously you will have multiple comments, so you will need another loop. Sorry, another if statement. Okay, and an if statement before the p tag. and the actual content. You can put this guy below the bool. Now, if you reload, they will actually show you if there are comments. Okay. And there's no content yet, so let's go and finish the content. And if your content obviously is here, right? This is your content, so you can just delete them and put in the PHP tag and say, I want to load the actual contents. Okay, the actual content reloaded. Okay, so you finish your post page. Okay, that is handled by the content.php and is loaded in the index.php here. Okay, to get the actual content for the blog. Okay, then you must ask, how about the rest of my pages? Okay, well, why these pages, you know, what are we going to do with it, you know? Can we do better for that? Okay, they are not loading blocks and all that. Can we do something else for it? Okay, so that is a good place to stop this video. In the next few videos, we are going to take care of the rest of the pages. Thanks for watching. Oh, before we stop, I think it's a good idea to close the content because we don't need it anymore. Index, I think we just leave it there, although we don't really need it anymore, but just leave it there. Function, we'll leave it there, and the sidebar, we'll leave it there. Okay, all right, that's a good place to stop. Thanks for watching.